bi ababeto dwa na esan se me ya Ghana ni na won so wo ya Ghana ni nti no asem wo ya asem bi a ehu behia se ye bedi ho komo se ende your first time wo ha subscribe na click the notification bell on so eno na eda screen so sisi we the latest news bi about won sabeka. Sorry for the pause, but straight my maintenance here ni concept ne so na etiefo ekuo bi a from Institute for Peace and Governance wa wo hwe din na trese asomdue ene amanyonsem ana se ne yebu aman sa akuo no wo mo ye nkrofo bi a wo mo ekasa efasa anyama ne ho yie pa na wo mo the reports bi aba betudwa a report no de wo mo ka ene se wo mo wo ne Ghana o mo wo ne yen pa se yanhwe ya terrorist attacks ebe shaase se ekoso ewo Ghana yeni enim terrorism senia Osama bin Laden wako true terrorism wako blaste America yeni enim 9/11 die si ye and the Boko Haram wo mo tie si Nigeria bonten so kunkum nkrofo chiche nkrofo mba ene nyama ne yeni ayenim inti no ekowe ka se Ghana yanhwe yi a san nyama ne bi sa basabasa yo no ade a Ghana ebi NC wa ha na ekuo ne se Ghana yanhwe yi a sa ade we ebeba ena mepese ye twetwe ho nkomo obi bebisa se ekuo yi edien ena ma wo mo kasa wo mo ye nkrofobia wo mo ye research akwai se policy think tank bibi ba wo mo ana bibi ekoso a wo mo be ye research no mo the report ne 1-2 bi abobobobo no mo hu ne se se ne anyama akon we betumi esi ena most of their predictions also come to pass, but most of their predictions are actually based on peace and governance. Na the entire wo mo kasa ne se wo mo se wo share Ghana se a violent extremism ekoso ewo asema wo mo kan se terrorism won answer na terrorism akwai say 1 2 3 stages akwai say stages wo say terrorism ebe koso ewo man bi a ene say wo mo shaase na terrorism na koso levels inyama bebe sisi ansa na wo hwe inyama ebe sisi ansa terrorism akoso no sa nyama no ade a ende amene wo kasa yi ACC ewo Ghana ha say was it terrorism strives in context of insecurity where there is a high propensity for discontent, disgruntlement, desolation. Not just say omaya sebe omo wo mo te eman ni mu no de politicians ne be yedodo na wo mo ni nje bibia no mo complaini for my bisa terrorism etumi strive ewom into stages. Ubon say Nkofasha say abind there MPP ni NDC they are all the same. Now saying if I post any political story, most of the comments are ever when say MPP ni NDC they are all the same. They are all the same. You see, say Nkofo wo man mu no mo sha say wo mo dwen sana. It breeds grounds for terrorism to rise up. Disgruntlement, desolation, anxiety, restlessness. Now we see the populace and among the populace in Ghana no ade we ye enyeme bia ekoso ewo yemu human security challenges and we be fa ha ye say armed robbery case munia mu di adance here and answer and am yankasa my imagine say I will not be reporting on the robbery cases again because me sure say me reporting not every single day you bet say yes hey robbery and that will be the brand me say some MPP penyi bi yekoro ono so yekoro robbery no kwan bi so but me imagine say me report it because robbery cases it was becoming too much every single day robbery case and I me make say dabi I will not report on that again and not just say robbery case in Koso because I'm not reporting on that but Koso enye easy nti say one man a wo hye say robbery cases sorry and there yes a kidnapping sorry sa insecurity in sensem no say sha say esia stages ubun say pim na akwa pim terrorism nti yen hwe so ye pa na yen hwe ye a bibi say ibesi etiefo enye easy na penyi a wade nsem we ana report yi ebeto dwa yensa aka report no was a director of the program. Your friend Mr. Justin Bayo. Your friend Mr. Justin Bayo. And actually say what they in some way a babontin at the betuja. Now it's here for me war in Kratabi ewaha secret messages bia. We share a lot of a year Ghana embassies are ewaha. Womo asele sa de no amba womo citizens. We share UK, America, and Canadian embassies now. Is the message that womo asene amba womo citizens a womo Ghana ha say. Deɛ wɔn ka ɛne sɛ terrorism ebetumi akɔso wɔ Ghana nti sɛ wɔn nkorɔfo no ɛba Ghana wɔn nhwɛ yie paa nti no these are things that a lot of the international bodies are picking up but yɛte Ghana no yɛnhu ne saa we need to be very careful sɛdeɛ medi nka nkyerɛ no ɛyɛ na nkorɔfo ka Ghana deɛ ntɔkwa ntumi nsi hɛ ɛyɛ bibi ntia o na eman na ntokwesi na nyese Ghana se benyame doyen esen sa aman no enese ebia ye won sofo kesie bi wa ha se esen sa aman no eye bibi ntia na bibia eye stages inkrofo we the report yi ba na trese ye hu report no na ye ni ada ye ho so ehun se se ye bibi ni ye ni ya ye ni se ye bibi ni ye ni ya ye ni se na sa report PSI for report a womo de aba o analyze ya say na me din kan che no armed robbery omo say eno ka ho it fosters terrorism. Another one youth related and politically motivated violence. Youth related mbebulu no ebufuo bi wo mu na omo ko demonstration yeni aye hu de see ye ewo KNUST I think 2 years ago. Youth related violence womo met it out on KNUST campus. It just tells you na same way Kwame Nkrumah wakanda was say enye say Ghana for ye boti o Ghana for say ye nku ntokwa na ye nye basabasa enye say ye nim ntokwa o na eye mre eya na bro so a Ghana for yes sorry a na nkrofo be hu say yes for eno ne nsema wodi tuja was say we share violence against women and children. Na dia womo kan ene say reports ekra womo of a year officially recorded number of murder cases in 2019, especially the last quarter, the last 4 months of 2019. We should see ya ete for nenye easy. O shesenia enkrofo kunkum enkrofo either for ritual purposes or just assassination and him for wu ye ene nyama nenye easy. Senia children and women were actually assaulted in a country, kidnapping and some embassy ye buomo. Senia ye kunkum emba nenye easy. It's based on that report no. Almost say a yensen bia e was a yeshe. Na security agencies and security forces are a war on my nimu no. E was a womama womuni edaho. Senia me din kan tell no. For some people, this is actually not news. Now, one thing is the Ghanaian media has actually been suppressing this. But to share, senior international bodies need there. You find say will be free Canada. Now we back Ghana. First information ya be mano and they say hey Ghana has say one share ya bibi sabe to me akoso. Ti one ma we ni anda ho so a etiefo. Obi be se wo be ye soon dead. Now I want to read a report. I want to read a report from one of the embassies in Sema Womo Senema Womo citizens are now Womo Eba Ghana. Meba my mention na ebia no bi ebefi say once and say ya me ye den same bi ba na. Okay, so in January 2019 US and no oko US embassy and kasawomo website eboho was a message for US citizens and I will throw eboho say enkrofo bi na eno no enye Ghana pe ne kan say enye Ghana pe but wo de Ghana din e kan ho say one of the countries US citizens wo mo eba no wo mo ma wo muni enda wo mo ho so yie because ebetumi aba say bibisa abesi wo hwe school parks wo mo kro mo bobo wo mo say high profile public events, hotels, clubs and restaurants, places of worship, schools, park, shopping malls and markets, terrorism infrastructure and tourist sites. Not just say one more back some places in here e Ghana one more money enda one ho so. Etiefo enye easy. Now I just want to get some more reports and then officially you guys will get to know say nekre and send be you know for some time no. Okay, so I also have websites from UK woman so in this put there just last 2 months December 2019 woman send safety precautions Emma woman crofone say terrorists are likely to try to carry out attacks in Ghana. Woman the message woman kind no woman say terrorists are likely to try or say they are likely to try to carry out attacks in Ghana. Inti se wo Ghana make sure say emergency contact bia wo benya no e wo say a crowd BBC ya na fact wa frɛ UK fo nso de na sa no mo yeye inti no etiefo eno ene nsema eda o me read US me read UK there amount. I also have a website here, travel advice and advisories for Ghana we Canada wo mo nso esenema wo mo nkrofo a no mo ba Ghana womo de ne de February ya 4th February ya no mo senya mo nkrofo into this report na nya report bi abeka say nkrofo na tenase no mo de omo adwen eye ade bi a ewo ho mo nche mo adwen bi da ase